seafood, boy, yo. I got that king crab. I got that potato. I got some sausage and some eggs. I got a corn. I got some asparagus. I got some shrimp too. And that smackalicious butter sauce. And I made some hot Cheetos, fried king crab on the side with some of that cheese sauce. And on the side is my fruity, fresh and fruity fruit punch juice. So everybody out there, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and like this video too. And maybe you can even share with your friends and families and cousins too. So let's get this video started. So let's get started, everybody. And I got some lemon to squeeze on my crab. So it's my first time eating king crab fried, dipped in that cheese sauce. So I'm about to take a bite. I did that all wrong. I did that all wrong. I need to pray and thank my Lord up above for blessing me with this dish in front of me. So let everybody pray.
Ow.
Amen.
Amen.
A to the man.
It's almost dark, so I can wear this.
So everybody, I'm back. My daughter just came and disturbed me, 'cause she's feeling mighty sick. But I fed her some soup just a minute ago. So now let's get started with the video. Give me that light. I want a cheesy bite. Cheesy bite. So delicious, yum, yum, yum. Miss Beloved, I hope you watch this video. And let me down below in the comments what you think of my singing. I love you, and have a blessed day. My potato. And the sauce is very spicy. very, very spicy. This is so refreshing, so refreshing to be trying that cream crab drenched in her sauce. Yeah. My asparagus is all raggedy, raggedy, raggedy. But you can have a bite if you want some. Woo to the woo, 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 woo. Woo to the woo, 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 woo. That spice hit me in the back of my throat. Whoa. Try to get y'all some onions and some sauce on that crab so you can have a delicious bite. I challenge anybody, take a bite. Who's gonna watch my video? I challenge you to do the singing through your whole video. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. This is so delicious. Hold on, you guys. So I'm back once again. Do you want a bite of this sausage? Take a delicious bite. Yum, yum, yum. Mm-mm-mm. And I finally got me some paper towels on the side. How's everybody day? How's everybody doing? 'Cause I'm doing alright. Please don't roast me in the comments, 'cause I don't know how to sing. But I'm doing my best. egg fell apart. My egg fell apart. But it's gonna get eaten too. My little baby shrimp, my little baby shrimp, but they still delicious too. See the smoking crab. Mm-mm. I'm going in for that corn. Going in on my corn. But I'll let you have a bite. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. So sweet, 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 sweet. The sweetest corn to me. So yum, yum, yum. Got corn in my teeth. Corn in my teeth. Oh Lord. So everybody, I'm so full right now. The food was delicious. I hope you enjoy this show. And shout out to Miss B. Shout out to Miss B for this challenge. This was a great challenge. Oh yes, it was. So everybody out there, it's the end of my video. I hope you enjoy the show, my show. So if you do, make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe right now. And help me get this video to 500 likes. And the next video, I will try to see if my daughter would do one. Oh, yeah. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And have a blessed day.